Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Tamara and welcome back to my channel. I run the beauty and travel blog loverofshades.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then while you're at it, go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. Therefore, you could be notified anytime I drop a video, which I normally try to aim for twice a week. So today I'm going to show you how to do a high bun or also a high ponytail. Is really up to you using your natural hair. I have natural hair, as you can see, and we're going to cover some things involving that. Especially, this is a very nice protective style, and it's a very nice style to have for the summertime when you want to keep your hair out of your face, and it's also very low maintenance. So if you want to get a style like this or something similar, stay tuned and I got you. Okay everybody, so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and took my hair out of my protective style, which is normally like 4 plaits. So as you can see, it's a little wild right now, but it's okay. I do this also to help stretch my hair, so that's another reason why too. So before we get started, I want to show you the materials that you will need to achieve this look. So the first thing you'll need is some form of gel. I'm going to use the Got2b Glued sparkling gel. This one right here. This works really great for my hair. Any other product that I use, it works for like an hour or so and then it starts to frizz back up, so I'm going to use this one. Also some water, so in a spray bottle preferably, a hard brush or a hard bristle brush. You can use a comb if you want to, and then also just have a softer brush just in case, just for smoothing out. All right, so the first thing I want to do is take my hard bristle brush, and I just want to brush my hair back into a ponytail. Okay, so before I go ahead and, one more thing I forgot to tell you, you also need some hair ties. Before I go ahead and tie my hair back, I want to go ahead and apply just a little bit of gel. Now this gel the hold is very strong, so I'm literally just taking like a little smidge right like this. I'm going to spread my hands like this. My hands are going to be very sticky, but it's okay because I need to make sure it's slicked back. And I'm just going to apply it just on the outer perimeter of my hair. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to take my spray bottle. I'm going to spray it just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is take my hard bristle brush, and then this is when I'm going to put it into the hair tie. I prefer to get the hair ties without the metal ends, just because I don't have to worry about it breaking, and I try to get something that's kind of thick, on the thicker side. Now this one's a little old, but it works. And the reason why is because if you have thick hair like me, then you need to make sure that the hair tie actually holds your hair, otherwise it will pop. So I went ahead and moved the frame back a little bit just so you could get a better view, okay? So as you can see, it's tied back. However, it's not slicked where my hair is, where the base of my head is. So what I'm going to do is, again, just take just a little bit more, a little smidge it like this. I'm going to rub it together, and I'm going to apply it around my ponytail. What I'm going to do now, especially since I have my hair already tied back, is I'm going to take my hard bristle brush. I always get tongue-tied. Hard bristle brush, and I'm going to brush it back. So now you have two options. So you could either leave your ponytail like this if it's slicked enough to your liking, or if you're like me, I like to just take it apart and then redo it, just because I had the opportunity to slick it some more. Okay, so now since we have everything slicked back to our liking, then we have to determine how we would like to have our bun. So one of the ways, I like to do my bun in one or two ways. I like to separate them into two, and then what I'll do is I'll take one side, kind of twist it, put it towards the front, and then I'll take a bobby pin, which would have helped if I would have took it out already. But I like to take a bobby pin and then pin it at the end. Then I'll take the other side, kind of wrap it like this, and then I'll put a bobby pin in the back. Okay, so once you have it like this, you kind of can see the separation right here. So you have two options. You could take a regular bobby pin, but for me, I like to take a loose bobby pin. It looks like this. I like to put the bun together because I kind of like my bun to be a little messy. And not drop it on the floor. So I'm just gonna get another one. And I like to take it right here and then put it through in my actual bun. And normally this works, but of course, since I'm recording this, it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a regular bobby pin and put it through. And that makes it hold in place. So of course, if I'm going to do this route, which I do often, then I'm going to take some more bobby pins and just make sure I secure the actual bun to where it's not coming apart. So I'll do that going around. And then I'll also do it on the sides. Another thing you could do too is just kind of get the base of both of them and then take a regular bobby pin and put it down. Just hide it inside the actual bun. So this is one of my buns. So I'm not going to finish the tutorial right now. This is just actually one of the buns. I just hope you could see it because I still got to do my edges, of course. But this is one way. I want to show you one more way I like to do my buns. So let me just take out these bobby pins. Okay, so I took out my bobby pins. So what I like to do is separate the hair, and instead of putting an actual hair bun, the hair bun like the donut, which you can do, don't get it wrong. I like to like kind of make my own and fluff it up. So what I'll do is I'll take my hair and I'll just kind of round it out into like my own donut shape, and then I bobby pin it down. And then what I'll do is I'll just kind of fluff it out so you don't see any gaps. Now, if you look at the side, my hair is really frizzy, but that's just because my hair is soft. So what I like to do one more time is just take a little bit more of that spiked hair glue. And then first I'll take my actual hands and smooth it back. And then what I'll do is I'll take my hard bristle brush and I'll brush it back. Now I always have a little bit of end sticking up, but that's okay because that's why I use my hair wrap to help hold it down. Another thing that I like to do too, just to secure it and make sure it holds down until I at least take off my hair tie, or my hair wrap I mean, is I like to take some bobby pins, the regular ones, and secure it down. Then I'm gonna show you how to do the edges. One second. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is zoom up so we can do the edges, and then we'll be done with the tutorial. So one of the things I forgot to tell you that you'll need is an edge control brush. If you don't have one, you could always use a toothbrush, so don't worry about it. Just make sure you don't brush your teeth with the toothbrush, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brush part, I'm going to hold my hair down, and I'm just going to brush out my baby hairs or my edges. And this is normally the hairs that don't really stick with the bun, stay down with the bun. So this is where my Got2b Glued really comes in handy, because this is the only thing that works for my edges. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on my finger like so, and I'm going to distribute that throughout where my edges are. I like to go bit by bit though, so I can really work it through. So I like to do one side first and then the other side. You don't want to oversaturate it, but put enough in there to where you can make it work. So now I'm going to take the bristle part again, and what I like to do is just literally work out my edges. And after I swoop them, I literally brush them back going into the ponytail or the bun. Okay, Now, what I like to do now is at this point, I always like to do my hair, especially when I have to lay my edges, about 30 minutes before I actually have to go outside. So I'm going to just go ahead and take my head wrap. You could also use a head scarf, so don't feel limited to that. And then wrap it around your head as tight as you can, as long as it's still comfortable. Make sure it covers your edges so it will hold it down. And then what it's doing is it's basically keeping everything set in place, including your hair, especially if you have soft hair like me. So what I'm going to do is just move it back a little bit so you can see. So this is how I leave it set for about 30 minutes. And then when I'm ready, so I'm just gonna act like it's been 30 minutes, I take it off. And I could remove my bobby pins if I want. I could leave them in. It's really up to you. But this is how I do my high buns with my natural hair. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, as always, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Never fails, y'all. I get tongue-tied. Of course, don't worry, I'm gonna put everything that I used in today's tutorial in the description box below. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe. While you're subscribing, go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at the username loverofshades. My blog is back up and running, so you could go to loverofshades.com, where you could catch all things beauty, all things travel, through my thoughts and my mind and my perspective, of course. Don't forget to go ahead and share this video to anybody that you think could benefit from it. And then also let me know what you guys want to see in the next Shades Academy videos, because I have a few ideas, but I really want to hear from you guys because I do this for you guys. So if you guys could let me know what you want, then I would greatly appreciate it. So until next time, you guys, thank you again for watching the tutorial. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.